Oh, here comes Wayne, first time driving the backhoe down the road. I'm just gonna follow him. He's all excited. We just got finished our bin block job, so we're just finishing up. We gotta go down and clean up our laydown area. See if he remembers where to go. He's doing pretty good. I know he's a little bit nervous because he doesn't actually have his driver's license, but he's got it. I've been putting him in the Bobcat and had him on the Mini X a little bit. Not very often we got a backhoe on site, so this time it's, you know, get to play around a little bit. We'll let him play around with the back end later on after we finish our work, and then that'll be it for the day anyways. Head back home, 2-hour drive. We're working in Niagara Falls, Ontario. And we live in Bowmanville, Ontario. It's just east of Oshawa. Yes, I don't have my seatbelt on. We're not going very far. So this job here, we finished, we did a fence on this job, and we're actually driving right by it. This is a short section of fence that we did. There was 2 sections of fence. There's about 300 feet altogether. Looks like he remembers. And then coming up on our left-hand side here is the other section of fence that we did. Everything turned out pretty good here. This is good. Wayne's never done anything like this before, and he's really enjoying working with me. He's getting to learn to do new stuff, and I got a trailer on. Hopefully I can make this turn. Yep. Good to go. Alrighty. That's good. We're going to put some fuel in this machine, and that'll be it for here. Right on.